Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Sorry if I have a very horsey voice, recovering from an awful cold. But the show must go on, and in today's video we're talking about 50% off gift sets and the magical stuff over at Walmart. And Merry Christmas to all if you celebrate. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday. If you could do me a huge kindness before we dive into this, if you could please give this video a quick thumbs up, I would be so grateful. So what we're specifically looking at is Walmart on December the 26th. Typically the stores open at 6 a.m. and in the app, all of the prices will change over about 6 a.m.-ish. Before in the past, Christmas Eve around 9 o'clock, sometimes it does change over, but just to be safe in store, probably 6 a.m. Now, if you go into the Walmart app, below the shopping cart, that little scanner thing, open it up. You can scan all the barcodes. I know that BrickSeek for the longest time we could type in UPCs with your zip, but unless you're a paid member, you don't have that privilege anymore. I don't understand that. And then also, if you're scanning some of this stuff and an item is like $27.99, it's probably not in stock in your location. And what that means is there's an independent seller on the Walmart app selling that gift set for obviously a lot of profit. So just be mindful of that. So I did photograph a bunch of pictures a while back, I think the second week of December. So that's where these are from. They were in my cloud for the longest time. So I'm being responsible here. And I'm just showing you where they are merchandised throughout the store. The more that your store has, or if these weren't a big seller, that's when you can score really big. IBOTTA, Checkout 51, and Swagbucks. Check all those rebate apps too, guys, because potentially on the 26th, there still might be a rebate or two floating around for some of these gift sets, which is like, wow. So definitely worth checking out because you never really know what you might get extra value on. And one thing I will also address is sometimes there are coupons inside of these boxes for the product. And in the past, people have fished them out and used them to get the gift set for free. I think we saw that with the Axe last year. And what I will say about that is sometimes the cashier will flat out say no. I've seen people buy the gift set first, fish out the coupon, and then the second one, try that. They still might say no. And I know that Axe this year, because I did look at their gift set, they're offering like no coupon in their box because it was such a mistake last year. They're like, no, none of that. So just be mindful of that. Okay, and just take it in stride too. If a cashier absolutely refuses to scan your coupons or they're just giving you a difficult time, they're dealing with a huge volume of customers because everybody and your grandmother's out on the 26th looking for deals. That's just the way that it is. And I mean, if I wasn't sick, I would definitely be there at 6 a.m. looking for this stuff. I remember in years past, by I think New Year's Day, sometimes things hit 90 over at Walmart. And that's when it's really on. You're looking for this stuff on sky shelves, end caps, especially if your store has a huge amount of these gift sets. They still might be merchandised on end caps or sky shelves. And I mean, to get this for $1.50, January the 1st, I mean, that's always the magical, like, I'm like, oh my gosh. And the Chic Intuition, for $5. Anything with like a lip balm or deodorant always have expiry dates on it too. So if you're like, why is this expiring? It probably has either one of those two items. And Venus Gillette, anything with P&G, guys, usually coupons in there. And our friend Caress, there's 3 different body washes and there's $1.50 inside coupon. They have really sealed these guys, like 10 layers of like glue or something like that. They're really hard to pry open. I think I bought one of these at Walgreens and it took a while to open. And the Dove, this is a triple pack of those body scrubs. I recently got this, I think, at Rite Aid, so it was also sealed. They also have this whole line of Christmas scented body scrubs, bar soap, hand soap. And this bar soap, too. I know I have a friend in Minnesota. Her store cleared them at like 90 last week, but not around here, still at 50%, or they're going to be 50% off because they're still full price. And here's our hand soap. And the body wash. This definitely, you could use that $2 coupon from Walgreens that doesn't expire till the end of the year. There was a tear pad recently fancy men's razors as well. Be on the lookout for that. Open up that Walmart scanner and scan everything starting on the 26th. And when you're in the store, laser beams everywhere, especially when it hits 75 or 90%. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.